in the first 10 overs from both the sides when they came out to bat. And that's what Wellington felt at the time of the toss.
Strike is innocent here. In that middle order, we know that Skandar Raza is coming back, and so that is going to get his return from injury. Absolutely correct, but key men at the moment for me are going to be...
He's got a lot of experience at the highest level, and he is straight away shaping that in. It's a good run there. Yeah, that's the curve, that's the shape. You
get an edge on it.
Nicely played. He just came across just to curb that swing. It's
40 for 1 after the end of the first power play.
Will have his nice bounce and carry. He's got more. Yeah, that's the length. That's the hit. This time a little fall, and he's nicely worked that way on the onside. There'll be runs. It's a quick, fast outfield. Bit of catching up to be done, and the effort doesn't. Yeah, so it is a boundary.
Right now, and that's the first bad shot of the morning, and it should be taken, and it is. Innocent Kaya again.
The wicket, that's Shahnawaz Dani. Innocent Kaya goes for 2, and Zimb select. Edged and taken. Again, just that tentative push outside the off-stump, and Dani's got 2 and 2.
For 10 runs, and Wesley Madevere.
Oh, that was a good one. Just like... Yeah, this time it came in, and that's a lovely shot. Beautiful shot.
And your perfect cricket shots from Craig Irvin. Straight as you like.
In the air, but it'll be safe. Just throwing his hands at it because it had that enough weight. Then
it's a really good hit. Really nice sound off the bat as he hit that.
Oh, just good looking shot. Cracker of a shot. Too much width given. Nicely done. Again, it's not the first time Marumani's done that. Just moves across and nicely driven. Beautiful shot. That's probably the best shot of the morning.
Firmly struck. Bit of a misfield. Now there's going to be trouble. I think there's trouble.
And Hasibullah dislodging the bells in the consecutive match. And there we go. There's the decision.
It's for the technical department. Wide from...
Again, quick single. Quitting their 3rd wicket inside the power play.
6 runs. The angle from Amir Jamal.
And that just carries it over for the first maximum.
Outside edge. What a delivery. That's the bit of... Again, look at that delivery. Outside edge, gone. Yeah, he didn't look settled.
Just the outside edge of Sean Williams' bat. Brilliant catch in the slip.
Outside edge, taken. Comfortable catch for the...
That average looking to go up. Just the 350s inside so far. Yet again. There will be change in the commentary box. Hearing.
Nicely worked away. That's a safe option. He gets a boundary for... No. He just that last wicket of Sean Williams. There you go. He'll take up that challenge. Short ball won't work. We saw him day before yesterday doing... He's hit that in the air, but in the safe zone. Just clearing that wide mid-on. Won't go to the boundary, but...
21 wickets. His best is 4 for 50.
To take care of those mid-overs. Keep that pressure forward, just like in the first match. Nicely played. Seems like more at ease against spin.
Shot. The power was behind that one, and he gets 4 runs. Played fine. He's done it again. These Pakistan shaheens. So Zimbabwe continue to struggle with that. Outside edge. It's in between the 2 men. Backward of square and just in front, and it'll run away to the boundary.
And there he's gone, Clive Madande. what is being brought into the attack to achieve.
Madande's look good, but he has to go.
And on strike. Wellington Masakadza off the mark.
No.
Trying to enforce that drive. Got then the end of the over, successful one. It's 140. Oh, that's a very elegant square cut. How good was that?
It certainly had its width, and the fact that there's no sweeper who's been pushed back now. Attempted Yorker, gone terribly wrong. I'll tell you what, and that is a good stop from the wicketkeeper.
Good shot again, just beats cover. We got protection in the deep and just 2 more added to the total, but that was a good shot. Yeah, played that with the horizontal bat, slaps that one to wide of Dhani. Another boundary, he's just making the ball. Yeah, that's more like it. Just
Really great display by Blessing Zarabani. And he's gone over cow corner, he's used his feet and he's cleared the boundary for the second time in his innings. Blessing Zarabani. And this time he goes down the ground and he's going to find another boundary. Miran Mumtaz threw that up and quite... That's good bowling by Dhani. He's taken the pace off. And this time he's found the gap between cow corner and long on. And this time it's off the inside edge. As Dhani got it into the block hole. But and he's found the gap at between cow and long on again. This time it's just going to be one.
Zimbabwe select.
And there you have it. Blessing Zarabani, a beauty. Gets to his maiden first class 50 off.
And now Tendai Chatara's getting in on the play. And a fantastic catch that brings the end to a very... At the moment right now is Blessing Zarabani. 50 from just 24. Paea just 2. Marumani 16 looked good until he was run out. Hasibola 24 and the pick of the bowlers for the pack.
Job with the ball.
Match. This is ODI judged LBW to Tendai Chatara, and then the star of the show for Zimbabwe in the first one day at Tendai Chatara. 5 in to Saima Ayub. And then in front of square.
Oh, that looks good. Forward, straight and out.
He's pitched it up.
He's got his man for the second time in the series. Saima Ayub goes without.
Muhammad Huraira. And that is a classy shot first up to Chatara. Slightly overpitched. Career match, economy just above 5. Best of Indians franchise. Turned away, that's nicely played. There's swing on offer. Started 2 straight. Boundary to start for Imran Butt. Overpitched again. Huraira is in a batting. Wow. He's down the ground. Next delivery is Muhammad Huraira. Cut away. Oh, that's gone quickly to the boundary. Width given.
Nicely done. Good wrist work on that occasion. Just chipping that in that square leg region for a boundary. In the air and gone. All that build up for this by Victor Nayuchi signaled the end of the first power play. But in my defense, I'd say it's also to do the kind of pressure that your partner is building on you. Ah, yes. This is the second time. Got to stop talking about everyone.
Cameron Gullam gone for naught from only 2 deliveries.
In the air, gone. Marumani takes a comfortable catch. I was just saying, it's not off.
And the dangerous looking Hussein Talat, just 11. Hasibullah Khan.
Oh, misfield. Sean Williams at extra cover. Two opening bowlers been successful. Overpitched and beautifully timed away. Hasn't tried to force it. Good work from Sean Williams. That's out.
Dande and Williams here.
Well short of his ground, Hasibullah. Confirmation on the big screen of his dismissal. He won't be happy with that unnecessary run out.
The average is nearly 30 with 200. Really, that's found the outside edge. Did give himself a little bit of room, did Mubasir Khan.
Oh, that's nicely played. Very nicely played. There wasn't all that much width, but he's waited and waited. Oh, that's a good shot. That is a very good shot. It's a big boundary out there at extra cover.
Again, that's the shot. That's the kind of stroke play you're looking for. A lot of purpose in that. Not converted into big score. You see Pakistan Shaheens there. Difference is now 36 runs. There will be more runs here. Extras maybe. Coming back for the second, and it's off the bat.
Naughty from Wesley Madeva. Tendai Tala has plenty work to do.
He's picked it up and he learned himself a boundary there. Now that leg stump line is just leaking runs there, especially.
And that's good use of the feet from Mubasir Khan. And Victor Nyawuchi tried it. That's in the air, and it's Wesley Madeva who's put it down on character. I think that is probably quite close, and it's been given. That's in the air. Blessing Zarabani's running towards it. And what a great catch. He's had to cover nearly 30-40 meters to get to that catch. And cool as you like.
Important wicket of Mubasir Khan gone. Fails to convert again. Falls in the 40s on 44. Leaving his team at 147 for the loss of 7.
It's above 6 runs and over. And this one is in the air again. And it looks like it's Victor Nyawuchi underneath it. And he finishes. Takes the catch.
Tentative a bit, but manages to complete it. Mehran Mumtaz goes back without troubling the scorers.
And he's bowled it. Victor Nyawuchi's got one through the defense of Amir Jamal.
Totally. The team takes a walk.
So it's Amir Jamal bowled for 5 runs off 8.
Gone. Dahani's gone. The Shaheens are done. 156 all out. This 6-game series, and what an effort this was. It's been a one-sided affair. This
and ruining the fact that they allowed